Okay, here is my zucchini boots. I gotta put some mozzarella on it. And we shall do that like this. Oh, shoot. Okay. See, like this. Then, after this is on, you will close it up and let it cook again. I mean, they've only been on for 2 hours now, but these are big. And they're not, they're not small boots. They're big boots. So that's that. Okay. Yeah, so it looks like enough, I guess. I don't even know how much to put on. I guess, oh God, it looks like ow, got burnt. Darn it. Boy, I hate that. Oh, God. Okay, it's good enough. Hey, then, man, I got burnt good. Whew. Then you would close it up and let it cook more.